Okay, it's time to install Operation Orchestration. Now, so we have the Rust Studio and just the installer. Okay, cool. So, and then we have the upgrader to 2019-03. So we're not going to do upgrades, we're just going to install it. So I'm gonna guess, and I'll say I'm going to install 00. Then I'm gonna install Rust, and then I'm going to install Studio. Sounds nice. Okay, welcome. Thank you. Click on next. I agree. Click on next once more. Keep the defaults, very important. Create, yes, please. So I'm going to install a studio and the Rust simultaneously. There we go. Okay, central cluster, add a node to an existing cluster. MicroFocus operation test cluster is active by default, even if it's just a single node. No, I think I'm good. Okay, disable, allow HTTP access. No, disable HTTP, and HTTPS would be done on 8443. And am I going to provide a security certificate of my own? I need to check. So let's see. So we are going to attempt to do this. This is the OBM server, and we have all of those nice files. Some of them are CA root, SIR, and some of them are server CRT, server key. So if we look at the configuration over here, we need to provide a central TLS certificate, then password. Oh, it's PKS12. And then it's CA root, and we don't have the PKS12 prepared. So it means that we are going to use its own certificate by basically not putting anything inside. When not provided, a self-signed certificate is used, which is not secured. Oh, it is kind of secured. Central, yes. Zero certificate. Test ports availability. Yes, everything is great. And by unchecking this box, we have the next, which would provide a self-signed certificate. Cool. So we're going inside, identity manager, OO built-in, create IDM service, connect to an existing. So although I do have a existing IDM service, I'm going to use a built-in authentication mechanism. Yes. Okay. Now, database connection properties. We are going to use internal database. This is not a production instance. And even on non-production instances, it can run a good amount of really not very complex, but still normal flows. So that's what we're going for right here. Click on next. And now we need to choose content packs. So I'm not sure. Maybe I'll select all of them. IT, C users, content pack source directory. Can I just click with control? Yes. So base, cloud swang. You know what? Can I just mark all of them? No, I cannot, of course. Can I mark them with a shift? Yes. Okay. So we'll have all of those nice content packs over here. It's gonna create a little bit of a mess inside our studio, but it's okay because, you know, for POC, you never know what you're not going to need, but installing a POC environment after it's been installed, not a nice thing. So we're not going to upgrade. We just click on next. English only, yes, please. Okay, root directory install. Yes, we got the whole summary. And there we go. So now we can just see how it unfolds pretty fast. So we'll just see how it goes from here. There we go, almost done. Then we go to Start Central and the rest of those nice steps. Okay, there we go. Click on Next, open welcome page and launch Studio. You know what? Let's launch the studio. Let's see how it goes. Okay, do not ask again. Yes, yes, that's about it. And there it starts. Now, my question is, does it work? So let's do HTTPS // and then gonna go exclusive.com 8443. Go for it. Okay, there's the certificate exception. By the way, we need to remove that. Go here. Okay, so there is our OO. Now we need to set up a couple of things. First of all, we'll set up it in a way that wouldn't allow us to log in without credentials. Security, first of all. And of course, then we will need to configure its integration with OBM, but that's in an entirely different video. So we are done. Let's just see the central here. Is it working? Oh, yes, it is. And it's asking me a bunch of questions. What it means? Content pack certificate details. Well, those must be very important, probably. I don't see any questions asked. Okay, well, we'll click on escape. And our OO got a little bit of disconnection over here. Probably it's overwhelmed with the amount of video data processing that it requires. But this problem is irrelevant to the process that we just covered. That's my peculiar environment problem that I need to solve. So we are done with OO.